washing the Z4, gonna put the numbers on it, then we have to load it, then we'll be good. And we'll head out tomorrow morning. Cars are washed. The magnets are on. My mom surprised me with new magnets. Have my number, my and they have stars. I love it so much, especially since some of my cars don't have the star treatment. So yeah, I love it. Okay, so we've officially made it to the track this morning. Unloaded the car, went out for a first session, and PB. My friend Josh came out with me, gave me some coaching. Super awesome. Really appreciate that. Helped me go faster. The alignment feels so good. It's so much more responsive. We have a lot less understeer with it, which is great. And smooth out my steering inputs a little bit more. And we went faster. So that's exactly what I want. So we went half a second faster. And I hope that there's more because I went a lot faster on one lap and then I beefed it at like one of the last corners and totally threw away a PB lap. But it's okay, we have time. So hopefully this next session, before it's too hot, we can get that PB and yeah, see some times in this thing. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.
Heaven just knows what it wants. Will I go back to the place where I belong? Everyone could break my heart, but I try my best to not fall apart. And I find it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better. pleasure. I got nothing to be scared of, because where people live, there is always love. I know the answers in my heart, so I'll try my best to not fall apart. And I find it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who...
Faster than our first session this morning. That was our fastest time of the day, which is awesome, but I really feel like I'm hitting the potential of this car, at least here at streets. So yeah, I feel like we maxed out. I let Josh drive the car for the last session. He ended up doing a 132, so not bad for driving a heat-soaked car and his first time in it, so that's pretty exciting. Yeah, I think that's a wrap for the day. It was a lot of fun. Love driving this car, so yeah. Peace out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one.